do a quick review on Eucerin Advanced Repair. Went to dermatologist for this week. They gave me samples. This is one of them I got. We used it before. It's ceramide 3 natural moisturizing factors enriched light-free lotion. I had problems with dry skin pretty bad, so one of the reasons this time of year is one of the reasons she gave me some samples. It's a pretty good little lotion. You got dry skin, like I do during the winter time. It helps moisturize your skin, make it soft and smooth, not as irritated as dry skin can be. When you get dry skin, it makes it look like a lot healthier. Yeah, it's a pretty good product if you suffer from dry skin like I do. This is your Eucerin Advanced Repair Light Filled Lotion. You should be able to find it in your HBO or any department store and stuff that sells lotions and shampoos, stuff like that. It should be back in that area. In most of these stores, Walmart, Kroger, whatever, Walgreens, whatever's place where you buy your lotions. Eucerin Advanced Repair.